Another week of postcard sales on eBay has come and gone. So let's head over and see what they were. These are going to be the postcards that sold between September 21st and September 27th. Starting off, postcard Tremor Beach, the big strand, County of Waterford, Ireland coastline scene, or a beach. Sold for $7.50. It's continental size, and it's unused. Postcard Majestic USS Badger, Ludington, Michigan to Manitowoc, Wisconsin, passenger steamship, sold for $4.75, unused. Linen card, Texas State Flower Blue Bonnets, vintage, sold for $3.10 on an offer, unused. Continental size postcard, Kellogg's Cereal City exhibit interior display. And sold for $3.36, unused on the back. Okay, these next 7 postcards were bought by the same buyer. They made 2 separate purchases, but they did buy the next 7. These next 2 are by the same artist, Heinz Geithus. It's continental size. These were put up to support the German Hunters Association. It's a German postcard, and he does kind of a humorous type of gun safety. This one is don't unload your gun at home. Shooting it inside, cat falling off the roof. A lot of things going on in this one. This sold for full asking of $14.95, and they also bought this one, German postcard, Know What You're Shooting At, gun safety bicycle. Up here in the corner, this is what the hunter is seeing, and this is the unintended victim that he thinks is probably a rabbit. This one sold for $14.95 also. They were both unused. And then they bought these next 5, which all have to do with cats. These next first 4 just have to do with cats in yoga poses. These sold for $3.95. They all are unused. This is the crossbar pose, swaying palm tree pose. Another cat doing yoga. And the plow pose. Like I said, these are all unused. And they also bought this real photo postcard of kittens, all seats taken. $7.77. It is used. And moving on, Columbus, Ohio State University Stadium. It sold for $3.95, continental size, unused. Real photo postcard, Repulse Bay Hotel, Hong Kong aerial view. Real photo postcard, sold for $8.99. It's a standard size postcard. I did have to do some Google Lens searching with this one because it didn't, there's no identifying name on this. But yeah. Okay, continental size postcard, Vienna, Virginia, Phelan Center, Wolf Trap Farm Park for the Performing Arts. Unused. A postcard, Palmer Square West, Princeton, New Jersey, historic shopping area. A standard size, sold for $3.95. Nice little station wagon there. Postcard, Irresistible Muskie. Fishing art print, sold for $9. Unused on the back. Postcard 1939 Packard V12 Victoria convertible, Henry Ford Museum, Dearborn, Michigan. Sold for $3.15 on an offer, and it's unused, and I've got 2 left. Postcard, a harbor over in Germany, a ferry boat, and a hotel in the background. This sold for $5.50, continental size. It is postally used on the back. This buyer bought these next 2, Johnny Depp and Orlando Bloom, for $5.50. Unused on the back. Postcard Star Wars number 49 Marvel comic book cover, Luke Skywalker. Sold for $3.95. Unused. Postcard Los Angeles, California, Wilshire Boulevard Street View, standard size. Unused. And lastly, a Tux card. Postcard The King's Robing Room, Houses of Parliament in London. Sold for $3.95, and it's unused on the back. Well, I had a nice variety this week. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day.